Actually, I am a retiree. I retired from the government service, but I am a practicing advocate for the past 4 years, practicing mainly in administrative law tribunal in Trivandrum, Kerala. At present, I am undergoing LawSikho's a diploma course in cyber tech, cyber law, fintech, regulations, and technology contracts, which is about to finish. But I joined the course during the height of the COVID pandemic. I had an impression that cyber law is nothing but some criminal offenses related to computer and internet. Only after joining the course, I could grasp the magnitude of the subject, the vastness of the civil contraventions, and the worldwide opportunities it's opening up for the aspiring law professionals are marvelous. Before I joined the LawSikho, I had brief stints with some other so-called famous institutions in India. So I have the occasion to get a comprehensive and comparative account of the LawSikho courses from that of others, and got to know that how far LawSikho approach is different from others. I understand that currently LawSikho is offering a total of 37 courses. The first thing I noticed in LawSikho is the dedicated interactive approach of the trainers and staff members towards the causes of their students who joined the course. Not a single query was unanswered by anyone, right from the top team leader down to the intern, whether it's a direct message at their inbox or a query posted in the group. The practical sessions, which is a unique feature of LawSikho, make the student perfect, ready to undertake any task related to that particular field, and after successfully completing the course. The fictional scenarios presented by the LawSikho research team are close to the various aspects of the real life situations, where the students get a feeling that they are dealing with real clients who are sitting in front of them. Training for article writing is a marvelous feature developed by LawSikho. Here, the dedicated LawSikho professional trainers make each and every student who subscribed for the course a writer and get his or her works published. So after completion of the course, the students can not only establish themselves as acclaimed authors of articles or books, but also can make a living even as content writers and make good earnings. Continuous follow-up is another important feature of LawSikho. While other institutes are just content with the payment of fees from the students, the LawSikho's approach is to consider the payment of fees as a first step only. The team is not happy with the payment of fees alone. They keep on following up the student until he or she completes the weekly assignments and the writing assignments. The evaluators of the assignments will meticulously dissect the answers given by the student and correct each and every aspect of the issue. The individual attention given to each student by the LawSikho team is amazing. The team has no hesitation to pay whatever time for making the student perfect in his or her studies. A student may, for various reasons, keep away from pursuing the regular classes. As soon as the team member notices this, the student will be contacted, tries to understand this issue, and bring him or her back to the track after clearing the issues. The LawSikho placement group has been eagerly watching the opening up of positions available worldwide and sharing the same with the students who have subscribed for their courses. I understand that so many students have benefited from this great service of LawSikho. Hence, I have no hesitation to say that LawSikho is one of the premier educational institutes in India for legal and paralegal studies, which is fast growing. I can recommend LawSikho to anyone who is aspiring forward to pursue law as a career or profession in his life and explore the opportunities available worldwide. I was thinking about this when you asked the question, but I think, LawSikho approach is far exceeds our imaginations. I cannot imagine beyond this. That much greatness or magnitude the LawSikho is pursuing they are following up the current situations in India as well as in worldwide and bringing them to the students. So I cannot just imagine beyond this. That is marvelous.